Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to learn Python without laptop. Start by using your phone for interactive tutorials, code exercises, and note-taking. Focus on short daily practice sessions and basic syntax first. Use offline resources like ebooks and printable exercises to reinforce learning and write pseudocode on paper to plan programs. Join forums for feedback and try small projects that phones and tablets can replace laptops for learning Python if you choose the right tools and workflow. Install a solid code editor app that supports running scripts and practice with interactive tutorials that give instant feedback. Use cloud storage to sync your notes and projects, and pick a small project like a text-based game to apply concepts. Consistency beats duration, so aim for short, focused sessions daily to build momentum. Create a simple study plan to learn Python without a laptop and stick to it. Break topics into bite-sized lessons like variables, loops, functions, and data structures, and schedule short practice blocks each day. Use challenges from forums to test skills and track progress with a checklist. When stuck, post clear questions and include code snippets from your phone editor to get precise help and keep your momentum going strong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.